In the depths of the ocean, it moves silently, massive, elusive, and armed to the teeth. It slices through the water with stealth and speed, more Spectre than ship. To some military analysts, it represents the future of sea power. To others, it's the last warship America will ever need. Welcome to the cutting edge of naval warfare, the US Navy's most advanced destroyer, a vessel so technologically superior that it has other global powers scrambling to keep up. But what sets this warship apart? What lies beneath its ghostly exterior? And why is it sending ripples of anxiety through naval commands around the world? Let's dive deep into this marvel of modern engineering, a destroyer that might very well reshape the rules of war on, above, and beneath the waves. A vision brought to life. This revolutionary warship began not as steel on the dockyard, but as a visionary concept, a nearly invisible, autonomous, and highly lethal vessel that could dominate sea, air, land, and even space. It was designed to go where others couldn't, survive what others wouldn't, and carry weapons others only dreamed of. Fueled by decades of classified research, billions of dollars in development, and tactical lessons drawn from every major conflict since World War II, this ship is no mere experiment. Officially, it belongs to the Zumwalt-class destroyer program, named after Admiral Elmo Zumwalt. But what's emerging now is even more advanced, a ship quietly being built behind the heavily guarded walls of American naval shipyards in Maine, Virginia, and California. Its mission? Not just to patrol, not just to defend, but to redefine naval warfare. Stealth on the sea, the Ghost Ship. At first glance, it doesn't even look like a warship. Gone are the traditional towers, antennae, and radar domes. Instead, you see sleek angular lines, an almost alien silhouette. That's no accident. Its low profile and stealth-optimized shape make it nearly invisible to enemy radar, giving it the radar signature of a small fishing vessel, despite being over 600 feet long. But radar stealth is just the beginning. The ship also operates under strict emissions control protocols. Its communication signals, heat emissions, and even engine noise are reduced to near silence. In a world where detection means destruction, this warship is practically a ghost, listening, observing, and staying hidden until it's ready to strike. The arsenal, more than just missiles. This destroyer isn't just a vessel, it's a floating weapons platform designed to dominate across domains. Housed deep within its hull are advanced vertical launch systems, capable of firing a range of munitions including Tomahawk cruise missiles for long-range precision strikes, SM-6 interceptors designed to neutralize aircraft and incoming threats, and next-generation hypersonic weapons that promise game-changing speed and impact. Beyond traditional missile systems, this ship is armed with electromagnetic railguns, cutting-edge weapons that use electric currents to launch projectiles at speeds of up to Mach 7. These futuristic cannons can strike targets miles away with pinpoint accuracy using kinetic energy alone. Also on board are directed energy weapons, lasers capable of burning through drones, disabling sensors, or detonating incoming missiles mid-air. These systems are quiet, precise, and cost-effective, providing virtually unlimited ammunition. What ties all these capabilities together is an advanced combat management system, partially powered by artificial intelligence. This digital command hub allows the ship to analyze threats, prioritize targets, and even execute countermeasures faster than any human crew could respond. In short, it doesn't just fight, it thinks. Brains over brawn, automation at sea. In contrast to older destroyers that require over 300 sailors to operate, this next-generation vessel needs fewer than 150. That's thanks to full-spectrum automation, from propulsion and damage control to targeting and onboard logistics. AI and autonomous systems handle many of the day-to-day operations, significantly reducing crew requirements while increasing efficiency and safety. This reduction in personnel creates space for more fuel, more weapons, and more endurance. It also reduces the human cost of war by minimizing how many sailors are placed in harm's way during high-stakes missions. But the destroyer doesn't act alone. It is designed to operate as a command and control hub in a broader digital battlefield, integrating live data from satellites, submarines, drones, and aircraft in real time. It sees the battlefield not as a single front, but as a multi-domain chessboard, and it can strike anywhere on it. Built for the future, not just today. Most warships are built for the present. This destroyer is built for decades ahead. It's designed to defend against threats we're only beginning to understand. Hypersonic missiles, AI-powered drone swarms, satellite-based weaponry, and more. It's equipped with quantum encrypted communications to secure battlefield data and protect against sophisticated cyber attacks. It also features modular weapon bays, allowing for future weapons to be installed without a complete redesign. This gives the ship adaptability that no previous class of vessel could offer. In the age of electronic warfare, cyber sabotage, and information warfare, survivability is not just about armor and guns. It's about data, resilience, and system redundancy. And this destroyer excels in all of the above. Global reactions. Not surprisingly, this ship is stirring controversy across the globe. Russia views it as a strategic escalation. China describes it as destabilizing to regional balance. North Korea has gone so far as to label it a declaration of aggression. The truth is, this vessel doesn't need to dock at a foreign port or even enter a nation's territorial waters to pose a threat. It can operate for months in international waters, deploy drones for surveillance or strikes, and unleash its arsenal from far beyond the range of conventional countermeasures. It's a complete battlefield presence unto itself, and that's precisely why it's causing so much concern. Too powerful to fail? Not everyone sees the destroyer as a perfect solution. Critics raise important questions. What happens if such a powerful platform is hacked? What if it's sunk? Would that mean billions lost in a single blow? And is it financially sustainable with unit costs rumored to exceed $5 billion per ship? Proponents argue that the cost is justified by capability. After all, if one warship can control the sea lane, project power globally, and outmatch an entire enemy fleet, perhaps you really only need one. It's a gamble, but a calculated one. The Navy believes that versatility, survivability, and dominance make this ship worth every dollar. A glimpse into tomorrow's warfare. The question we began with still hangs in the air. Is this the last warship America will ever need? In many ways, it might be. It offers an unmatched blend of firepower, stealth, and technological sophistication. Its adaptability ensures it stays relevant even as new threats emerge. But no military can afford to stop evolving. Warfare is never static, and what's dominant today can become obsolete tomorrow. Still, this destroyer marks a pivotal point in naval history. It's not just steel and engines, it's strategy, deterrence, and a bold statement about where America sees the future of conflict heading. For now, it stands as the sharpest blade in the US Navy's arsenal, a warship unlike any other, a ghost that commands the sea, and perhaps, just perhaps, a glimpse of wars yet to come. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into America's most advanced and possibly final warship. What do you think? Is this the future of naval dominance or just the beginning of something even more powerful? If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit that like and make sure to subscribe. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think about this floating ghost of the seas. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next video.